I love rescuing pets. Everybody know, and let's see we're gonna rescue pet or not. Alright guys, everybody knows that they let me rescue pet. Water spill, and we will need use the water spill. Alright, let's have some Pippet battle. What do you say?
Master says we need to stop you from becoming powerful. I will do as Master commands. What do you beat me this time? But if you stop learning, our mind illusions will overpower you.
Bye bye, Pippet. And bye bye, everyone. See you guys.